In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the fuel tank straps on your Ford Focus. Let's get started. There should be two nuts holding in this heat shield. Go ahead and remove those now. Pull the heat shield down and out of the way. Install the jack under the gas tank. Using a 13mm socket, remove the bolt for the tank straps. Twist the fuel tank strap to the side and remove it from the vehicle. Do the same thing on the other side. Remove the plastic cover that is on the old tank strap and remove it. Remove the bolt out of the old tank strap. We will be reusing this. Do the same thing on the other strap. Install the plastic cover onto the new tank straps. Make sure it's clicked into place. Do the same thing on the other strap. Install the tank strap without the studs onto the passenger side. Once you have it started, twist it around under the tank. Be sure that it's sitting square up in the bracket. Do the same thing on the other side. This one will be the strap with the studs. Again, be sure it's sitting square up in the bracket. Pull the tank straps over each other. They will fit inside. Install the bolt. It will thread into the non-studded line, and then it will fit through the line with the studs. Install the bolt and tank straps up into the vehicle. Once you have the straps installed, release the jack, move it out of the vehicle. Install the heat shield. If you have them, install the nuts.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.